Hello, friends. Today I am bringing you the idea of vintage headboards, and every era has some beautiful furniture articles to decorate home, and definitely these things are different from the modern beds, but they have their unique beauty. And if we see these headboards are smaller in size, a bit smaller in size as compared to the modern headboards, and their designing is different, and mostly they have been painted, colored, and polished, and sometimes they are florally decorated, and uh, even if they are upholstered, they are floral, and floral designs have a preference if you see all of the pictures. And some beds have some sceneries or some type of messages, some type of places, faces, or story type things on their headboards, and some are painted in different artistic ways, and some are designed with some faces and people, and even you can have them some vintage beds y- which have used glass on their headboards, and they are just different from the beds in modern era. But if you are interested in having some vintage beds in your home, you can have an idea from these beds, and definitely they give you a look of 1900 in your home, and these styles and their shaping, designing, and everything is quite different from the modern beds. And even if they are made with wood, and the shapes and the designs made are completely different, and even the color choices are different, and multiple colors, sometimes multiple colors are used on one bed, and different type of sceneries and faces and plants and flowers are made on one bed. And if they are upholstered to, they are smaller in size, and actually the wood's designs or styles, whatever is made, they are made on the wood. The wood is not carved in majority of the styles and designs. The designs are made on the wood, and some styles are like signature vintage styles, like bouquets on the headboard, and these bouquets give these beds a different look, and sometimes some vintage beds have golden framing, and even in golden metallic frames, they are different from the beds today. So please like and subscribe our video.